Hello everyone, this video is about solving simultaneous equations involving a quadratic function and a straight line function. Solving simultaneous equation means looking for the coordinates of the intersection points. So for example, we have this quadratic and this straight line. To find the intersection, we just solve like this: x squared minus 4x plus 3 equals x plus 3. So we move everything to the left. X squared minus 5x, that's it, equals 0. So x minus 5 equals 0. So this means x can be 0 or x can be 5. So we have the points of intersection. This is 0 comma something, this is 5 comma something. And to find the y values, we can use the straight line. So if we use a straight line, we plug in 0, we get 3. So it's 0 comma 3, or we can also use this one easier actually, 0 comma 3, or we can and for the 5 we replace the x with 5. So if the x is 5, we have 25 minus 25, 5 plus 3, 8, so it's gotta be 5 comma 8. Or we can substitute this x in the straight line here with 5, we also get 8. So in conclusion, we have 0, 3, 5, 8. But if we only need to find the number of solutions, so not the points of intersection, not the actual solutions, but just the number of solutions, we can just use the discriminant. The relationship of a quadratic and a straight line can be evaluated using the discriminant of the combined equation. So after combining, not of the quadratic only. So we don't use the discriminant of this quadratic only, not the discriminant of the green quadratics only, but we have to use the discriminant after we substitute and after we combine the two equations. We use the discriminant. So when the discriminant is negative, does not meet because there's no intersection. When the discriminant is exactly 0, it's touching, and this straight line is the tangent line because we have only one intersection. When the discriminant is positive, it's crossing or cutting, or we have two points of intersection. For example, find the number of intersections of, so x squared minus 2x plus 3 equals 2x minus 1, x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. So we use the discriminant formula, b squared minus 4ac, we get 0. So in conclusion, we have 1 point of intersection. Another type of question, the curve has touches. Touches means we have one intersection, and one intersection means the discriminant must be exactly 0. So x squared minus 3x minus 3 equals k minus x. X squared minus 2x minus 3 minus k equals 0. The discriminant is therefore b yeah, it's minus 2 squared b squared minus 4 times a times c equals 0. So we have 4 minus 4 times minus 3 minus k equals 0. Subtract 4 from both sides. Divide both sides by minus 4. Add 3 to both sides. And divide both sides by minus 1. We get the value of k. So in conclusion, to find the intersection, we solve using the quadratic formula, for example. So if you're finding the intersection, solve. But if you're finding the number of solutions, we use the discriminant. So that's it, and I'll see you again next time.